The song features 4 different patterns. For the verse, we'll start on a C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G sharp. For 4 beats, we'll then go to a B major chord, B, D sharp, F sharp for 4 beats. And then an A major chord, A, C sharp, E. For 8 beats, 2 whole measures. In one hand, the verse pattern could look and sound like this. Start on C sharp minor. Each chord gets 4 beats, except for the A. We'll take up 2 measures. A 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 2 hands, the verse pattern starting on C sharp minor could look like this. A 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp minor, B major, A major. Repeat. B major, A major, 2 measures. The pre-chorus will feature another pattern starting on a B major, B, D sharp, F. We'll play that chord for 2 measures, then go to an E major, E, G sharp, B, and then an A major, A, C sharp, E. And we'll restart that. In one hand, the pre-chorus pattern starting on a B major, B, D sharp, F, could sound like this. A 2, 3, 4. E major, A major. Restart. Here, that pre-chorus pattern could look and sound like this. A 2, 3, 4. Our chorus pattern in one hand starts on an E major for 1 measure, E, G sharp, B, switching to a B major, B, D sharp, F, C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G sharp, to an A, C sharp, E, back down to that E major, E, G sharp, B, B major, B, D sharp, F sharp, and then A major, A, C sharp, E, and will bring us back to our home key, E, G sharp, B, to finish out that chorus pattern. In one hand, starting on E major, that chorus pattern could look and sound like this. Every chord gets 1 measure, except for the final A. A 2, 3, 4, E, B, C sharp, A, E, B, A, and on E. In 2 hands, our chorus pattern could look and sound like this, starting on E major, 2, 3, 4. The bridge pattern starts on a B major, B, D sharp, F, for 2 measures, followed by an E major, E, G sharp, B, and an A major, A, C sharp, E, up to a B major, B, D sharp, F, for 2 measures, E major again, A major, B major, for 2 measures, then let's take it to a C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G sharp, walk it down, B major, walk it down, A major, A, C sharp, E, take it back up to a B major, B, D sharp, F, and then give me that walk down again, C sharp minor, B major, A major. In one hand, that bridge pattern starting on a B major could look like this. A 2, 3, 4, B. For 2 measures, go to E, A, B. For 2 measures, go to E, A, B. For 2 measures, walk down. Give give it a B, 2, 3, 4, 2 measures, and the walk down. Lastly here, in 2 hands, that bridge pattern could look like this, starting on a B major, a 2, 3, 4. A major, restart B, 2 measures,